This review is of Guittard 70% Bittersweet chocolate baking bars. There's a walnut cookies recipe inside if you like walnuts. It's free from peanuts, tree nuts, and gluten. This is part of their Etienne collection. It's non-GMO, fair trade certified, parve, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. And here's a bit more information there. And then, so it's fair trade certified by them, by Fair Trade USA. It's made in a peanut, tree nut, and gluten-free facility. Is there anything else that I missed? Nope. That's it. Nutrition facts and ingredients. All right. Now you're wondering, Glenn, why are you using? And no, my name isn't Michael. This was a gift for me when I was in high school. At the school, I couldn't afford to get a letter jacket. And no, I wasn't in football. So a friend, when I moved away from Milwaukee 5 years ago, I guess it was. No, not 5, 3. All right. So here is the chocolate, front and back. Let's go ahead and break off a piece, if it'll cooperate. Wow. That is so much better than the previous Guittard that I reviewed. It's a bit sour, a bit fruity, sweet but not too sweet. It's very nice, very nice. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.